Just about 45 minutes before the start of play in this Pakistan Junior League. It's match 9. And for an assessment of the pitch and conditions, well, it looks a glorious day. Still very cool. And still, those square boundaries remain consistently 66 meters in length. Again, we had a little bit of a challenge yesterday. That match 8 was interrupted because of rain, and there was a bit of seepage on this end, the players' pavilion end. And you can see that the ground staff, they've rolled in some green grass cuttings into this pitch. What I also found out is because of the water content on this end of the pitch, they had no choice but to put water on the other end as well to ensure that this pitch will play consistently. It's still very hard. There's no moisture here. This should be a good batting surface. If anything, it might offer a little more for the spinners. We've seen so far in this tournament, the top 5 wicket takers, 2 are spinners. So captains, you have the chance of balancing your attack with pace and spin to get wickets. The other thing is, batters are getting starts and not carrying on. So you've got to try and ensure that when you bat beyond the power play, you bat deep in the innings. Give yourself and your team a better chance of doing well. The Giants, they've not done well in the power play overs. They will focus on that. So batting, more crucial for them. I guess today is all about skills. Skills on show, you play well, you earn yourself 2 points.